Do you sometimes get confused about every day and every day? Let's clear the confusion. Every day means each day. That means one day, then the next day. But every day, one word means something that is typical or something that is very common. Let's take a look at this quiz. I go for a walk. Is it every day or every day after dinner? I go for a walk every day after dinner. So B is correct. It means each day, one day, and then the next day you go for a walk. Brushing your teeth is an everyday habit or everyday habit. It's a routine habit. It's something you do on a routine basis. So we say it's an everyday habit. So B is the correct one. Every day with one word. We practice English every day or every day. We practice English every day in class. My backpack is perfect for everyday use or everyday use. So the answer will be the one word everyday. B. She drinks coffee every day or every day before work. She drinks coffee each day, like every day before work. B is correct. These shoes are comfortable enough for blank activities. The shoes are comfortable enough for everyday activities like routine activities. The teacher gives us homework every day or every day. A is correct. Cell phones have become a part of everyday or everyday life. Which one do you think is the correct one? Share in the comment section. He exercises every day or every day to stay healthy. He exercises every day is correct. So remember, every day means each day, and every day, one word means something ordinary and something typical. Any questions? Let me know. Subscribe for more English tips. Thanks for watching.